Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and powering the dock. This matters because wrong voltage can damage batteries. Once done, plug the USB-C adapter into the dock and into a wall outlet. Make sure it's rated for 5V/3A or the manufacturer's spec. Place the dock on a flat surface with at least 1/2 inch clearance for airflow and power on the unit so status LEDs illuminate. This shows the dock is ready to accept controllers and prevents charging faults. You now align and dock controllers carefully. This protects ports and ensures contact. Insert each DualSense into the dock's cradle until the charging LED engages, because the LED communicates charge state. Red means charging, blue or green indicates near full. If the dock limits current, charge pairs sequentially to optimize battery health and speed. While charging, make sure controllers are powered off or in sleep. Active controllers will draw more current and slow the process, so power down to speed charging. You finish by letting controllers charge for about 2 to 3 hours. The dock's LEDs should turn to the full indicator, and then you remove controllers gently to avoid port strain. Once removed, test buttons and wireless sync with your Ps5 to confirm proper operation. If charging doesn't start, try a quick reset. Unplug the dock for 10 seconds, then replug. Make sure the cable and outlet function correctly. If problems persist, swap cables or test with another controller to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.